Did you know that artificial intelligence can process data at speeds millions of times faster than the human brain? That's why it's revolutionizing everything from healthcare to entertainment. So, what exactly is TS, or technology service, and how does it relate to artificial intelligence? Simply put, TS refers to a broad range of services that utilize technology to deliver solutions, and artificial intelligence is a key component of many of these services. AI enables machines to learn, reason, and interact with humans in a more natural way. As we explore TS and AI, it's essential to understand that they're closely intertwined. AI is a driving force behind many TS innovations, and its applications are vast and varied. From automating routine tasks to providing personalized experiences, AI is transforming the way we live and work. The intersection of TS and AI has the potential to revolutionize numerous industries, and it's exciting to think about the possibilities. As we dive deeper into this topic, we'll examine the key features of TS and AI, and how they're changing the game. The AI field is dominated by major players like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, as well as innovative researchers and startups. These companies are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and their work is having a significant impact on the development of TS. The history of TS and AI development is fascinating, with early beginnings in the mid-20th century. Over the years, advancements in computing power and data storage have fueled the growth of AI, enabling it to become more sophisticated and capable. In recent years, AI has made tremendous progress, thanks in part to the availability of large data sets and the development of machine learning algorithms. These advancements have enabled AI systems to learn from experience and improve their performance over time. Machine learning is a key feature of AI, enabling systems to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Natural language processing is another critical aspect, allowing AI systems to understand and interpret human language. Automation capabilities are also a significant benefit of AI, freeing humans from routine tasks and enabling them to focus on more strategic and creative work. Additionally, AI-powered systems can analyze vast amounts of data, identifying patterns and insights that might be missed by human analysts. The integration of TS and AI has numerous advantages, including improved efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. However, there are also some disadvantages to consider, such as job displacement and the potential for bias in AI decision-making. Despite these challenges, the benefits of TS and AI integration far outweigh the drawbacks. By leveraging AI, businesses can gain a competitive edge, improve customer experiences, and drive innovation. In comparison to other emerging technologies, TS and AI stand out for their versatility and potential for widespread impact. While blockchain and the Internet of Things are also exciting developments, TS and AI have a broader range of applications. Unique aspects of TS and AI include their ability to learn, adapt, and improve over time. Performance differences between TS and AI and other technologies lie in their capacity for automation, data analysis, and natural language processing. On a personal level, I've experienced firsthand the impact of TS and AI on my work and daily life. From automating routine tasks to providing personalized recommendations, AI-powered systems have made a significant difference. The significance of TS in the AI landscape cannot be overstated. As AI continues to evolve, TS will play an increasingly important role in delivering innovative solutions and services. Overall, I'd give TS and AI a solid 9 out of 10 in terms of their potential for transforming industries and improving lives. These technologies have the power to drive significant change, and I believe they're worth exploring further. If you're interested in learning more about TS and AI, I invite you to check out my next video, where we'll dive deeper into the applications and implications of these technologies. Alternatively, share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.